Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the DT Ultra 3 smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to have a demo of the health monitoring functions, particularly the heart rate monitoring and the blood oxygen monitoring. So we will check these two features or health functions and see if it's okay or accurate. We will have a simultaneous monitoring of the heart rate as well as the blood oxygen with our fingertip pulse oximeter. So if you are interested to see if the DT Ultra 3 smartwatch health monitoring function works and if the result is okay, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and check out the heart rate monitoring of the DT Ultra 3 smartwatch. Okay, so this is the heart rate. So if you're going to activate it without wearing, it will show a notice, okay, that you are not wearing the smartwatch properly. So it cannot detect your heart rate. As you can see here, measure failed. Wear the watch properly. So let's try and refresh. Let's see if we'll have the result here. So measuring. So let's wait for it to finish monitoring. I don't know if this is continuous or we'll have a end result for the heart rate. Okay, so it has completed and we have here 73. Let's see if there are some options in the settings for the heart rate. So settings, I think it's on the support app. There are some settings there, but it's not for the continuous heart rate monitoring. Scheduled heart rate monitoring, I think, or automatic heart rate monitoring if you are working out. Set language, screen lock, SOS. Okay, so we don't have an option. Okay, but anyway, we have the result, and let's see if we compare it with our fingertip pulse oximeter. Okay, so now that we are wearing the smartwatch properly, so let's test it. Let's check the heart rate, and of course we have here the fingerprint pulse oximeter. We'll have a simultaneous monitoring of our heart rate. So let's see. Okay, let's activate first the heart rate here. So we have the heart rate and we have our fingertip pulse oximeter. So let's check. We have 81, 78, 79. Okay, as you can see, we have 79 and 78 here. So they almost have the same results. Please take note that our fingertip pulse oximeter is a continuous heart rate monitoring. Anyway, we can still see if it's in the range of our DT Ultra 3 smartwatch. So 86 right now with 99% for the blood oxygen monitoring. We have 87, 86, and 83 on our, or 84, 86, 85, the same, 83, and we have 83 here. So very good so far for our fingertip pulse oximeter. Again, let's have another one. Heart rate. So we have 85, 82, 80. So the same, 82 and 81. So 84 and 82 and 80. Okay, so as you can see here, we do have a plus 2 plus 3, or sometimes they have the same results here. So we do have a very good heart rate monitoring here for our DT Ultra 3 smartwatch. So we have 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, and 82. 79 the same, 78, 81, 80. Okay, so very good for our heart rate monitoring, and we have a 98% for the blood oxygen. So for the blood oxygen, let's see. Again, we have 98%. So far for our heart rate monitoring, the result is very good. We have 96 here, and 99, 96, 95, 97, 97. Let's see. 98 and 99 here. I don't know if the heart rate or the blood oxygen is continuous monitoring, or it will stop after several seconds. We have 96 and 98 here. Okay, just plus 2% for the difference. So far for the blood oxygen and the heart rate monitoring, we do have a very good result for our DT Ultra 3 smartwatch. Next, let's check out the results on the support app. And next, the support app for the DT Ultra 3 smartwatch. So we have here the Wear Pro app. So let's check. So let me show you the settings for the heart rate as well as the dashboard for the health monitoring. So this is the dashboard for the heart rate. As you can see here, we do have the average heart rate, beats per minute. We have the minimum heart rate as well as the maximum heart rate. So there are some recommendations here or details about your heart rate. Okay, so it shows you the range as well as the best, okay, heart rate or the best beats per minute for your heart rate. As you can see here, we have slow, excellent, good, faster, and too fast. You can see the details here. So it is, the graph is divided into day, we have a week, we have the month, and the year. Okay, so that's for the heart rate. We also have here the blood oxygen. So the same layout for the blood oxygen, and we also have here some information about the SpO2 monitoring. For the settings, okay, we have here the heart rate monitoring. As you can see here, you can set it to continuous monitoring, but there's a time and there's a frequency. Okay, so that's it for the settings in the support app of the heart rate monitoring, particularly the health monitoring function of our DT Ultra 3 smartwatch. Please take note that it is using the Wear Pro application. So we have the health dashboard here. So we also have a blood pressure as well as the menstrual cycle and other details here. Okay, so that's it for our review of the DT Ultra 3 smartwatch heart rate monitoring, comparing it with a fingertip pulse oximeter. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!